Good morning students. Now we are going to see the next exercise, that is 2.1. What is the topic here? Exponents and powers. What do you mean by exponent? An exponent refers to a number of times a number multiplied by itself. So repeat it once. Number of times a number multiplied by itself. That means if you are taking an example 2 power 3 means, so what does mean by 2 power 3? This 2 can be repeatedly multiplied by 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 power 3 is what? It is in the form of 2 into 2 into 2. So now how much times? 3 times is multiplied. So if you multiply this, what you get? 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So this is a general format. So if it is x power n, this x can be multiplied into how many times? This x can be multiplied into n times. So that is in the representation of x power n. So listen here. Here x is the base. This x means for what? Base. And n means for exponent or power. That n is called to be a exponent or power. Then listen, x power n. How we can read this x power n? This x power n can be read as x to the power of n or x raised to n. This x power n can be read as x to the power of n or x raised to n. For example, you are taking this one, no. So 2 power 3. So here what is the base? So here the base is 2. And what is the exponent power? The exponent power is 3. So listen carefully. In this problem, so this 2 is called to be a base. This 3 is called to be a exponent or power. So x power n is x to the power of n. 2 power 3 is 2 to the power of 3. Otherwise 2 raised to 3 times. 2 raised to 3 times. So listen, what do you mean by exponent here? An exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. So general format x power n, that means x can be multiplied into n times. So in this one, x is called to be an base and n is called to be an exponent of power. That x power n means for x to power of n or x raised to n. So listen to the another one example for written here, 36. How you can split and write that 36. So it is an even number. We can divide it with the 2 table. So 2, 1 times 2 balance 1, 16, 8 times. So again it is an even number. So we can divide it with the 2 table. So 9. So 9 is an odd number. So we can choose the next number is 3. 3 3s are 9. So this 36 can be rewritten as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So how many 2? 2 to the power 2. And 3 how many times? 3 also 2 times. So the 36 can be rewritten as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we can write bases are same. So we can add the powers and write. So here the power is 1, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1. So we are adding the power means 2 to the power 2. Like a similar term, 3 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1. So we can add, we get 3 to the power 2. So how we can read using this? So here there are 2 bases. So what are the bases? 2 is also base and 3 is also a base. So using the identity we can write 2 into 3 whole to the power 2. Because both the powers are same, we can use the base in the multiplication format. So both the powers are same, we can add the base or multiple the bases 2 into 3 whole power 2. So what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6. 6 to the power 2. So already you know. So how we can write the 36 in the squared format? 36 is 6 square. So now say what is the base there? So what is the base? The base is 6. What is the power given here? The power is 2. Then x power n here 6 power 2. That means 6 to the power of 2 or 6 raised to 2. So next one is, this is a positive exponent. That means the power will be in positive. This is the example for the positive exponent. So then what do you mean by negative exponent? Negative means nothing but the reverse of the positive. So here we are multiplying this. Here we have to do the opposite operation, division. So how many times to divide by the number? So here for positive exponent, you have multiplied the number by itself. But for the negative exponent, how to divide the number? So the general form is x power minus n, which is nothing but 1 by x power n. So listen carefully. X power minus n, which is equal to 1 by x power n. So here x is a natural number, n is any integer. X be a natural number and n is any integer. So look at the example 1. We have to evaluate and find the values for 5 to the power minus 3 and 3 to the power minus 4. So using this, we can do that problem. So what is the formula? X power minus n equal to 1 by x power n. So which is in the same format. So you can write the formula here. X to the power minus n, which is equal to 1 divided by x to the power n. So 5 to the power minus 3, which is equal to, so 1 by 5 to the power 3. So already we have written, what we have written, 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Like the similar way you can write 5 to the power 3 means you have to write the 5 as a 3 times. 1 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. So what is the value of 5 into 5 into 5? 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So 1 divided by 125. 5 to the power minus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by 125. So listen carefully. We can check what formula we can use in the problem. So 5 to the power minus 3 is the negative exponent. So you can use this formula, x power minus n, which is equal to 1 divided by x power n. So write that formula first, then write the question. So you can interchange and write the value. So here negative means it comes as a division, it becomes a positive. So 5 to the power minus 3 is 1 divided by, this comes as a positive as 5 power 3. So that means what? 2 to the power 3, that x can be repeatedly written using the power. So here 2 to the power represents 2 into 2 into 2. Likewise, the 5 to the power 3 represents 5 into 5 into 5. That means 1 divided by 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So listen to the next one. So the same formula you have to write. Let's write the question. So what is the question here? 3 to the power minus 4. Using this formula, we can write x power n means it comes into addition, becomes positive. Likewise, 1 divided by 3 power 4. That means what? 3 can be multiplied into 3 4 times. 3 to the power 4 means that 3 can be multiplied into 4 times. So listen here. 1 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So listen, you can write here. What is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3? That is 3 3s are 9. This 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. So what is the value of 3 power minus 4? 3 power minus 4 is nothing but 1 divided by 81. So listen carefully. Use this formula for the negative exponent. The negative exponent becomes a positive when if we divide it with 1 only. So write that way. 5 power minus 3 can be rewritten as 1 by 5 power 3. That is 5 can be rewritten into multiples of 3 times. 5 can be written as a multiples of 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. So that can be 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125. Similarly, 3 to the power minus 4 means we can take into the division, it becomes positive. 3 can be multiplied into 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So your answer is 1 divided by 81. So listen to the next example. Express the values with positive exponent. The given is a negative exponent. You have to change the value into a positive exponent. So what is the formula here? X power n, which is equal to 1 divided by x bar minus n. So each and every sum you have to write the formula. Then only you came to know which one we are using here. So write the question once again. 1 divided by 10 to the power minus 4. So you can split and write the powers. So 1 to the power minus 4, or else you can use this formula and write. Okay. To the power minus 4. This powers can be split and write. 1 to the power minus 4, then what? 10 to the power minus 4. How it becomes? So we can change and write. So x power n means x power minus n is 1 divided by x power n. So 1 power minus 4 comes into addition, it will be changed into 1 divided by 1 power 4. So listen carefully, this is in the form of x power minus n, 1 power minus 4. So you can rewritten as 1 divided by x power n. 1 divided by x power n means 1 divided by this value 1 by 4. Okay, whole divided by 1 divided by this 10 power minus 4 also we can change and write. 10 power minus 4 will be changed as 1 divided by 10 power 4. So if it is negative, we can rewritten as in a division formula. The powers will be negative, we can write it to be a positive using the division. So thus 1 power minus 4 can be rewritten as 1 divided by 1 power 4. And again denominator 10 power minus 4, that can be rewritten as 1 divided by 10 power 4. So how we can write this one? 1 divided by 1 power 4 into, so denominator of denominator comes into a numerator, that is 10 power 4 divided by 1. So 1 get cancel. So what is your value? 10 power 4 divided by 1 power 4. So using the question, similar way you have to write the powers outside. So how we can write this value means both have the same power. So you can write the values only 10 by 1 whole power 4. So listen this question. Express the value with the positive exponent. So this is a positive exponent. We have proved that. So listen, 1 divided by 10 whole power minus 4, that can be rewritten using the formula x power minus n, which is equal to 1 divided by x power n. So write the question. What is your question? 1 divided by 10 power minus 4, which is equal to. So we are separating and writing the value. That means the power can be put both for numerator as well as denominator. 1 power minus 4, also 10 power minus 4. So next step is using the formula. If it is x power minus n, the value will be 1 by x power n. Here 1 power minus 4. So that minus 4 comes into addition, it becomes a positive. So 1 power minus 4, which is equal to 1 by 1 power 4. Next, a similar way 10 power minus 4. What is 10 power minus 4 using the formula? If it is negative, it comes into a denominator. It is a positive. So we can rewrite this 10 power minus 4 as 1 divided by 10 power 4. So now check. So this is denominator. Also again we are having one other denominator. So you can rewrite as, so 1 divided by 1 power 4. This will be gets reciprocal. If you change the symbol, it will get reciprocal. So this is division. If you are changing to the multiplication, it will be a reciprocal. So 10 power 4 divided by 1. 1 and 1 get cancelled. What are the value? 10 power 4 divided by 1 power 4. So both having the power same as 4, you can take the power outside. So what is the value? 10 by 1 whole power 4. So what is your question here? 1 divided by 10 power minus 4. So this is a negative exponent. They ask you to express it with a positive exponent. Our answer is positive only. So this is the correct way to find the values. So in this here we have listened about the exponent, negative exponent with some examples. So next topic is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. A power m and a power minus m are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So listen carefully. Already we saw one formula, that is what? a bar, that is a bar n or x bar n, a bar n which is equal to, so if it is in negative, so you can change and write as positive using the division. A bar minus n means we can interchange and write that is 1 divided by a bar n. So negative changes as positive when it comes as a division. So from this we can say that a bar n and a bar minus n are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So look at one example, 5 bar minus 3 into 5 bar 3. So we can interchange and write any one of the value. So we can interchange and write this first value. This is in the form of a bar minus n. If it is a bar minus n, we can write 1 divided by a bar what? N. So 5 bar minus 3 can be interchanged and write using the formula a bar minus n which is equal to 1 divided by a bar n. So if it is negative, it comes in the division positive. 5 bar minus 3 comes in division 5 bar positive 3 into 5 bar 3. We should not change this value. You have to change any one of the value only. So I am changing this value. So cancelling those two, you get the value as 1. So if the answer is 1, we can say this 5 bar minus 3 and 5 bar 3 are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So 5 bar minus 3 and 5 bar 3 are multiplicative inverses of each other. Otherwise, we can call it as a reciprocal. So this is 5 by 3 is a reciprocal of 1 by 5 by 3. Sorry. 5 by minus 3 is a reciprocal of 1 by 5 by 3. 5 power minus 3 can be called upon 1 divided by 5 by 3. And it is reciprocal. So listen carefully. Multiplicative inverse are reciprocal. That is mean what? A bar m and a bar minus m are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So an example. What is that example? 5 bar minus 3 into 5 bar 3. So if it is the formula a bar minus n, which can be rewritten as 1 divided by a bar n. Negative exponent changes to a positive. So what is exponent here? This minus n is called to be an exponent. This is a negative. It becomes as a positive exponent a bar n. So 5 bar minus 3 changes as 1 divided by 5 bar 3 into 5 bar 3. So both 5 bar 3 get cancelled. What is the remaining value? 1. If you multiply any two values to get the value 1 means the two values are multiplicative inverses of each other, or else we can call upon a reciprocals. So next one is rational number in exponent form. So from the first chapter we are seeing about the rational numbers only. So you well known about the rational number. It is in the form of p by q and that q is not equal to 0. So it is in the form of p by q where the q doesn't equal to 0. So using the similar way, if it is integer or any natural number, we can write a bar minus n. But in a rational form, we can write this as p by q forming. So you can interchange and write this form. So p by q whole power minus n. So where you can see here p by q whole power minus n, and instead of that a, we can change and write p by q whole power n are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So for this we can see with this example. So here I am taking another one example for the rational number. So what is the value here? 5 by 6 whole power n. Look at the example, 5 by 6 whole power minus 1. So this can be rewritten as 1 divided by 5 by 6 whole power minus n. So because p by q minus n and p by q n are the multiplicative inverse of each other. Using the statement, so we can write this one. So next, so if it is negative, how we can write interchange and write? So if it is negative, it becomes positive means 5 by 6 whole power n. So if the denominator goes to the numerator, the value becomes positive. This is the rule. X bar minus n, that is 1 divided by x bar n. So if it is negative, it will be changed as positive when it is divided by the term. So listen here, 5 by 6 whole power minus n. So the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 6 whole power minus n, which is equal to 1 divided by 5 by 6 power minus n. So it is negative. We are changing to the positive means this denominator goes to the numerator. That is 5 by 6 whole power n. Now we can say 5 by 6 power minus n and 5 by 6 power n are the multiplicative inverses of each other. So look at the example number 3. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 9 whole power 4. So you can write minus 7 by 9 whole power 4 is given here. So how it will be changed means a power m and a power minus m are the multiplicative inverse. So here the value is positive, so you can change it to a negative. So that will be changed as minus 7 by 9 whole power minus 4. Split and write the powers. So minus 7 power minus 4 and 9 power minus 4. So if the power is negative, we can use this rule, 1 divided by x power n. So 1 divided by 7 power 4 divide 1 divided by 9 power 4. So this can be rewritten as, how it will be changed, 1 divided by 7 power 4 into, you can change the reciprocal, 9 by 4 divided by 1. So you can write this one. You have to put the negative sign also here. So 9 power 4 divided by 7 power 4. So this negative will be taken out, means how we can write. So this is the answer for that one. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 9 whole power 4. Use this rule. A power m and a power minus m are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So this minus 7 by 9 whole power plus 4 will be changed as minus 4. Then separate and write the powers. Minus 7 whole power minus 4 and 9 power minus 4. So this negative value can be rewritten as x power minus n equal to 1 by x power n. So 7 power minus 4 comes positive when it will be in division only. So you can rewritten as 1 divided by 7 power 4, 1 divided by 9 power 4. So then, so it is in the division. So you can change with the multiplication, means can be rewritten as 9 power 4 divided by 1. This division gets reciprocal. So multiple and write minus 9 power 4, 7 power 4, that is minus that itself. So 9 by 7 whole power 4. So multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 9 whole power 4, which is equal to minus 9 by 7 whole power 4. Let's look at this example. Write the reciprocal of the minus 5 by 9 whole power 3 with the negative exponents. So using the same way you can write it. So this also a power minus m and a power m are the multiplicative inverse or reciprocals of each other. So this negative will be changed as positive, 5 by 9 whole power 3. Next split and write the powers. 5 power 3 divided by 9 power 3. Then how can you write this value? So listen here in this step, minus 5 power 3, 9 power 3. Our question in negative format, so you can change and write this value also in a negative format. So how? This x power minus n means 1 divided by x power n. So using that we can apply this one. For this step, if it is x power n, the value will be x power minus n. So here the value is positive, that is x power n. You can change and write 1 divided by x power minus n. That means 1 by 5 power minus 3 divided by 1 by 9 power minus 3. So here also the value is positive, so you can change and write. So next step, minus 1. So this is comes into a numerator. So 9 power minus 3 divided by 5 power minus 3. Both having same power, so you can interchange and write 9 by 5 whole power minus 3. So listen carefully. Write the reciprocal of the minus 5 by 9 whole power minus 3 with the negative exponents means you can write a power minus m and a power m are the multiplicative inverse or reciprocals of each other. Using that, you can write minus 3 can be becomes as a positive minus 5 by 9 whole power 3. You can split and write the powers 5 power 3, 9 power 3. But our question in here negative symbol. So you have to change this value also in negative exponent means. So using this formula x power n which is equal to 1 divided by x power minus n. So exponent is positive, you can change into negative using this formula. 5 power 3 can be written as 1 divided by 5 power minus 3. This 9 power 3 can be written as 1 divided by 9 power minus 3. So next step, this will get reciprocal. So reciprocal means denominator comes into a numerator. 9 power minus 3 divided by 5 power minus 3. So both having the power minus 3. You can take the power outside. What are remaining answer? Minus 9 by 5 whole power minus 3. This is our answer. So in this session you have seen about the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal with this example. Next one is laws of exponent. So our first law is a power m into a power n. So look at the value. The bases are same. What is the base here? A is the base. And m and n are the powers of that a. A power m into a power n which is equal to. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So what are the powers? M and also n. M plus n. Now we take some example and check this property. So what is that? Consider a equal to 2 and powers m equal to minus 2 and n equal to minus 3. So use these values and find kept it here and find whether it is equal or not. So what is a here? A power m is minus 2 and a power n is minus 3 which is equal to. So you know one rule. X power minus n means 1 divided by x power n. The negative comes division into a positive. So you can change and write 1 by 2 whole power. This negative 2 becomes a positive. Likewise, similar way, this 2 can be represented as 1 by 2. This negative 3 becomes positive. So listen, both the bases are same. You can add the powers. What are the powers here? 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is again 5. So again use this value. So if it is the x power is positive, it becomes a division positive, it becomes into a negative when. So this is in the form of 1 divided by x power n. 1 power 5, 2 power 5. So it is in the form of 1 divided by 2 power 5, 1 divided by x power n. So you can change and write as the x power minus n. Here the value is 2. 2 power minus 5. So then this 5 can be split and write because here the powers are 2. So you can split and write this 5. So how this negative 5 can be written as minus 2 and minus 3. When you add these two values, you get the value as minus 5. So 2 power minus 2 plus minus 3. So this is in the form of a power m into a power n which is equal to a power m plus n. So listen, here what is a? Our a is 2 and m is minus 2 plus our n is minus 3. So left hand side equal to right hand side. First law is verified. So listen carefully. Laws of exponent. Our first law is a power m into a power n. Both the bases are same. You can add the powers. Here the powers are m and n. So m plus n. I am taking one example to prove this law. So consider a which is equal to 2, m which is equal to minus 2 and n which is equal to minus 3. Apply this. So 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 3, which is equal to. So this negative value can be rewritten as. So this 2 can be rewritten as 1 by 2 whole power 2 into 2 to the power minus 3 can be represented as 1 by 2 whole power 3. So if bases are same, you can add the powers 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So 1 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5. So again you can use this rule, which is in the form of 1 divided by 2 power 5 means it will be changed into a negative, that is 2 power minus 5. So check this one. A power m into n, a power m plus n. So you need two powers. At here is one power. So you can split and write this 5 as minus 2 minus 3. You are adding these two values, you will get the value as minus 5. So this minus 5 can be represented as minus 2 plus minus 3. So a power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. So look at the second law. What is our second law? First law is multiplication, second law is division. So both the bases are same. How we can divide the powers means a power m divide a power n. Both the bases are same. You can subtract the powers. Multiplication, add the powers. Division, subtract the powers. So consider a equal to 3, m equal to minus 2 and n equal to minus 4. So you can apply this one. What is the a value here? 3. So 3 to the power minus 2 divide 3 to the power minus 4, which is equal to 1 divided by 3. You cannot use this rule. You can rechange this one. 3 can be represented as 2 can be represented as 1 by 2. Negative power change into positive. So like a similar way, 3 power minus 2. If it get reciprocals only, the power will be changed as a positive. So 1 by 3 whole power 2 divide. This 3 power minus 4 can be represented as 1 by 3 whole power 4. So split and write the powers. 1 power 2, 3 power 2 divide 1 power 4, 3 power 4. So you can change this division into multiplication. This value gets reciprocal. That means 3 power 4, this 1 by 4 comes this side. So this one get cancelled. 1 to the power 2 is also 1. 1 to the 4 is also 1. You can cancel this one. Remaining terms are 3 to the power 4 divide 3 to the power 2. So if it is in division, you can subtract the powers. So 4 minus 2. So here the values are what? You can write using this value. So m minus n you have to prove. What is our m minus 2? So you can change this two value. So minus 2, this is the positive value, so that will be taken second time. So but the power is what here? Minus 4. So this plus 4, you have to change and write with the help of negative. So when this positive becomes negative, so if it is minus into minus only, it becomes positive. So you can split and write the positive value. Minus into minus 4. So which is in the form of, this is in the form of a power m divide a power n, which is equal to, what is this? A power m minus n. Our m is what? Minus 2 minus our n is minus 4, which proves the second law. First law is a power m into a power n. Both the bases are same, you can add the powers. Here both the bases are same. If it is division, the operation is division, you can subtract the powers. So then we can see some example for that. So our example number 5. Using law of exponents, simplify the following. So first question is what? Minus 7 power minus 2 into minus 7 power minus 3. Using the first law, we can do that problem. A to the power m into the a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. So both the bases are same, you can add the powers. So here the bases are same. Adding the powers, minus 2 plus minus 3. So both are negative, you can add and write. So in this problem only you can put that. Minus 2 plus minus 3 is what? Minus 5. So you can write the minus 5 there. So your answer is minus 7 whole power minus 2 into minus 7 whole power minus 3 means answer is minus 7 to the power minus 5. So use this first law, it is multiplication. A to the power m into the a to the power n, which is a power m plus n. Powers must be added. So see the second problem. 4 power minus 3 divide 4 power minus 4. Use the second law. A power m divide a power n, which is equal to a power m minus n. So if it is division, you can use the second law. Powers must be subtracted. 4 power minus 3 minus 4. So that is 4 power minus 3 minus into minus what? Plus. So 4 power 1. That is again 4. So if it is multiplication, you have to add the powers. If it is division, you have to subtract the powers. So 4 power minus 3 minus 4. So minus into minus again plus. So you can subtract the positive value by the negative. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 power 1 is again 4. So listen to this example. Express 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 into 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 as a rational number with a positive exponent. You have to use the positive exponent to prove that one. So if it is negative, we can interchange and write the values. So this is negative exponent. You have to interchange and write as a positive, means it will be get reciprocal. 2 by 3 becomes a positive as 1. So that value also, if it is negative, you can change and write 3 by 2 whole power 2, because minus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 by 3. So that will be reciprocal and write 3 by 2. This division of division goes to numerator, that will be written as 3 by 2. So check, both the bases are same, you can add the powers. What are the powers here? 3 by 2 whole power 1 plus 2. The powers are 1 and 2. So 3 by 2 whole power 3. So listen this problem. Express 2 by 3 power minus 1 into 2 by 3 power minus 2. That can be represented with the positive exponent. So given statement is negative exponent, you have to interchange and write into a positive exponent. So listen carefully. This 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 can be rewritten as. So it is negative, can interchange and write with the division, means it will becomes positive. So you know one formula also, x power minus n, which is equal to 1 divided by x power n. Use that rule for this one. So x power minus n, if it becomes a division, that is x power positive n. So apply. So 1 divided by 2 by 3, this 3 goes to the numerator, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole power 1 into 3 by 2 whole power 2. Both the bases are same, you can add the powers. 1 plus 1, you can again get the value 3. So the answer is 3 by 2 whole power 3. So till this we have saw about the exponents and multiplicative inverse, negative exponent, and last two laws. What are the laws? A power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. It means both the bases are same, you can add the powers. Second law is a power m divide a power n. So bases are same. If it is division operation, means you can do subtract the powers, that is a power m minus n. Children, do the sums regularly. Put each and every, after the problem you have to put line also. Okay, thank you children. Now we are going to the activity for laws of exponent. So listen to the formulas. A power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. That means if the bases are same, a is the base here. So both the bases are same, you can add the powers. When if it is multiplication, you can add the powers. A power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. So second law, a power m divide a power n, which is equal to a power m minus n. So listen here, both the bases are same and it is a division. Operation is division, means you have to subtract the powers. So what are the powers here? M and n are the powers. So listen to the third one. A power m whole power n. So base is only 1 but power will be 2. So you have to multiple that power. A power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Next one is a power m into b power m. Both the bases are different but powers are same. You can multiple the bases and write the power as a single time. A power m into b power m, which is equal to a into b whole power m. Next listen, and the next one is a power m divide b power m, which is equal to a by b whole power m. So both the bases are different but powers are same with the operation division. So you can write a by b whole power m. Then last one is a power 0. That means any value the power is 0. Your answer will be 1. So listen once again. You can say with me. The laws of exponent. Our first law is a power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. A power n divide a power n, which is equal to a power m minus n. Third law, a power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m n. A power m into b power m, which is equal to a into b the whole power m. A power m divide b power m, which is equal to a by b whole power m. Last one is a power 0 means any value power 0. Your answer will be 1.